This is the Lead-acid Battery Dismantling Machine, an intelligent and eco-friendly system for recycling used car and industrial batteries. The process begins with mechanical cutting, where the battery cover is separated, releasing the lead plates, plastic shell, and electrolyte. Then, through the separation system, lead plates are divided from the plastic body with high efficiency. The lead is sent for smelting and refining, the plastic shell is washed and reused, and the electrolyte is safely neutralized for recycling. This fully automated process ensures zero acid leakage, high recovery rate, and safe, clean operation, making it the perfect solution for sustainable recycling plants. Turn hazardous waste into valuable materials, and join us in building a cleaner, greener future. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more recycling innovations and eco-friendly technologies.